Till now we have observed the field line pattern due to bar magnet, due to a straight current carrying conductor. Now it is turn to observe the field lines pattern with reference to a circular coil or a circular current carrying coil. So how the field lines pattern will be there with the circular current carrying conductor. Let us see this. Here I have taken 500 loops. The wire is having 500 turns. This is the circular carrying conductor. I have given this to positive terminal of the battery eliminator, and this second one is connected to the negative terminal of the battery eliminator. Now when I allow the current to pass through this coil, it establishes magnetic field. Normally, how do we visualize that the magnetic field is established? Just because of compass needle. If the compass needle, if it is placed here, you can see that it is showing north and south. See, this is the direction for this place. This is north and that south, east and west. Now I have not switched on the battery eliminator, so the compass needle is showing the original direction north south. Now you can see, even if I move, hardly any change is there in the compass needle. Now also it is turning towards the north only. Now if I keep in between also, under the circular frame, still the red, that is north of the magnetic compass, is unmoved. Now let us watch how the north pole of this is moved when we switch on the battery eliminator. So now when I switch on the battery, it has been turned. Now you can observe it again. So this is original direction of north. The compass needle is at rest. Now the compass needle is moved. That means the circular current carrying conductor has produced magnetic field. As the magnetic compass is under this influence of the magnetic field, it has been turned. Now you can see that how the north pole is moved. You can see the red portion of the magnetic compass. How it is moved, you just see. It's moving in the anti-clockwise direction, like this. See this? Now even we can plot the field line. As we have plotted for bar magnet, we can plot the field lines. So if I connect all the dots with a free hand, you will get a magnetic field line like this. Now all the time, if I keep this one here, this is showing this direction. If I keep it here, this north pole is in this direction. Now for this side, the field lines are in the direction of, suppose if I stand this side, then it becomes anti-clockwise direction. You can look at the watch, anti-clockwise direction, and now for this it is expected, because the direction of the current is changed. When here it is moved in the upward direction, automatically it is a circular coil, therefore it comes down. So we must observe the field lines in the opposite direction. Now let's see the magnetic needle. You just watch the red one, how it is turned. It's turning this side. Now, so if I keep on moving this compass needle, you can get the structure, which is nothing but, see, now you can see, watch this. I am moving the compass needle. Observe the north pole of the compass needle, which is in red color. Now it's moved. When it comes out, you can watch. See how it is turned. So in this case, I am just pushing this magnetic compass with the help of pencil, just to avoid my hand before the compass needle, so that the cameraman can take the correct picture. Nothing, anything extra is not there. No need to push this with the pencil. Okay, so now you have witnessed the compass needle is moved in this direction, which is just opposite to this one. Now let's observe if it is kept at the middle, center of it. Now when I keep the magnetic needle at the center of it, it is pointing towards that direction. Now let me push it in. The direction of this is hardly changed. So once again you can see, I will push it back. See, now this compass needle, when it is pushed in the line which is perpendicular to this normal, I mean plane of the normal of the plane, it is not deflected at all. So I can draw the line of force at the middle almost along a line. Now even if I keep that one nearer to this, then also you will observe that more or less another parallel line. See, remember, if it is turned this way, then it is turned, but if you keep it in between, then it goes almost straight. So in the circular coil, you will see that at the side of this coil, the magnetic field lines are circular pattern, having the circular pattern, and then at the middle they are parallel lines. Now you can watch this on the computer. The same setup we have had, and here these lines are circular, and at B also circular, And if you observe the middle line, which is parallel, where the magnetic needle was unchanged. So this is the way how we can visualize the magnetic field lines pattern with reference to a circular current carrying loop. Remember, one can find easily the direction of the magnetic field. So in this case, this is positive terminal, the current is passed and then it is moved like this. Now you have to keep your thumb in the downward direction for A point. When you keep the downward direction, automatically you will have the fingers should be going into the loop. So that is why the arrow marks are placed inward. Now if you talk about this thing, this current which is coming up, so you keep the thumb in the upward direction and the rest of the fingers will come into the coil and they are going out of it. So arrow marks. One similarity you can find that even here also, when the field line is going inside the coil, the direction is inside only. When here also, when it is coming inside, the field lines are coming this way only. Now here at the middle of this one, you can see that almost all the lines are more or less parallel. That's why we have witnessed that the compass needle is hardly changing its position. So this is the way you can visualize the field lines with reference to a circular current carrying coil.